Now, let's go to number 4 in here. Okay? Let's separate. Well, this number 4, it is also going to be like this one. Meaning, ratio, same ratios, okay? And how can you tell this? Just by reading the problem. Now, let's see. It says that this family of 4 people, and first, it is always going to be, can you see here? Number 4, okay, 4 people, okay, and the same 4 people. So the amount of people, it is not being changed, okay? So I'm not going to care about if it's 4, 10 or 200 people inside that house. It is never going to change, so ignore that. No problems? Okay, so let's start writing that. But ignore about the number of people because they are not going to change. The only thing it is changing, it is the amount of liters. So 6,280 liters in 1 week. Okay? And now this water, it is spent in 1 week and is being asked, what about for if they have 100,000 liters? How many weeks are they going to need? Very simple. What do you do to go from here to here? Again, ratio, okay, Vera, ratio. How to go to be from here to here? How do you do this? Let me do this a little differently. Well, we have, how do you know this? I'm going to make this one in mechanical pencil, okay? The math should get this ratio is going to be in here, okay? Let's see. Well, we have 6,280. You have to multiply by something to get 100,000, okay? This times, this is going to be the factor, okay? And what is this? It's very easy, okay? Please follow here. First, divide by this number, 6,000. Because once we divide, you are going to get 1, right? And now, what must be left? The 100,000. Okay? So this is the ratio. This is precisely the ratio that you are looking for. This is a ratio. Okay? So the ratio, it is going to be this. Exactly this. 100,000. Let me write it this way. You have to multiply by 100,000 divided by 6,280. You must always find the ratio, okay, Vera? And if you didn't understand this, please rewind the video and watch it back. It's very important. You have to go from this here to here. You have to go from, this is the start points, and this is the end points. This is ratio. Okay? Again, you have this. You first, the ratio, you don't know yet. You first divide by the same number, so you can cancel it. You can disappear with it. That is the idea, okay? Disappear with this one, okay? And now what is left? It is what we have to be on this side. This is the ratio. Once you get this ratio, you have to apply the same ratio on this side. So you also have to multiply by 100,000 divided by 6,280. Oh, and one thing, Vera, that I explaining to you. You first read the problem in here. You first read the problem, okay? And in here, you first read the problem, and once you read the problem, you just go to math and see if I increase the number of liters, will I take more or less weeks? More weeks, right? So we are increasing here, increasing here. Good. If we are increasing here, it's all good. We can do on this way, which is the same as this one. And now it's solved. Okay. What is x? X is going to be what? 1 week, right? Just 1 times the factor. 1 times this factor. 100,000 divided by 6,280. And this is going to be, if I did everything correctly, this is going to be 15.92 weeks. Okay? And this is the answer. Well, if they ask you to go ahead and you say that this is 15 weeks plus 0.2 weeks. If you just multiply this by 7, because 1 week has 7 days, right? Okay? You just get that 0.92 weeks. It is the same as 6.4 days. Well, another way to answer it could be this. Your answer could also be 15 weeks and 6 days. Okay? I'm just throwing away those 4, okay? It depends. The exercise must explain to you what is to round. Maybe, okay, give your answer rounded to the nearest tenth. It would be 15.9. This question, it is not demanding this because it's not a complete question, but the question should be like this: round your answer to the nearest tenth. If that was the problem, your answer would be 15.9, okay? Nearest tenth. It depends on which it is being asked to you. Okay, so this problem is also easy. You just work like this: ratio, same ratio.